Intro. Welcome to Connect to World, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to focus on the word happiness. It's a term that describes a state of well-being and joy. Let's get started. Meaning. Happiness is a noun that refers to the state of being happy, content, and experiencing joy and positive emotions. It is a fundamental and cherished human experience associated with a sense of well-being and satisfaction. Pronunciation. Pronounce happiness as ʻhæpiɪnɪs, with the emphasis on the first syllable, hap. Use in a sentence. 1. His happiness was evident as he celebrated his achievements with a smile. 2. Many people seek happiness through meaningful relationships and fulfilling experiences. Synonyms. Synonyms for happiness include joy, contentment, pleasure, bliss, or euphoria. Conclusion. Happiness is a word that represents the positive emotions and sense of fulfillment that we all strive for in life. It's a reminder of the importance of finding joy and contentment in our experiences. Thanks for joining us, and may your life be filled with lasting happiness and moments of delight.